My question today was what is the one thing that all mothers first really want? And truly, I remember Alka ma'am would tell us that every mother who came to her over the decades, they all said one thing. When she asked them first thing, what do you want from me? And each time the mother said, I just want to hear my child call me ma or mother. And truly, it's so right when even a new mom always is waiting for that one big day when the child would just call her mama. And that's what the mother expects, especially from her child who has a speech delay or has delayed speech or has deafness and wants her child to start talking. And there is nothing wrong with it because that's the connection that you have from birth, and every mother has a right over this. Of course, as the child starts to say ma or mama or mother, and then our expectations keep rising up, which is of course justified. In the poll that we had, it was about 80% almost said that it's not my fault that I missed out the early signs. And truly, it happens that you are so in that space when your baby is born, you think your child is perfect in every way. You never think there could be something wrong. You're also dealing with your mental emotional health, giving birth to a child, and physically you are adjusting with that new world, talking to that baby, adjusting with your health, looking out for those long nights and days of just feeding and taking care of the baby. It takes a toll on you, and then the time that you bond with the baby, it is very important, and you just miss those early signs. So I would tell the mothers, please do not blame yourself if you have missed those early signs. Do not have this feeling that you did something wrong. you know it's not easy. Even if you have like fever for a week or a cold and a cough, it's so hard to recover and it takes you days. But things like pregnancy, going through the surgery or the medical procedure, and if there is a special need, the hospital stay, everything is emotionally and psychologically very difficult. So please, do not blame yourself if you miss the early signs. Do keep a watch on it, that yeah, there are certain things that are not happening. It helps. And please make sure you talk to your pediatrician when the child is born to see if everything is in order. Make those visits to the doctor, and please do not take the blame because it's really not your fault. As a mother, you are trying your level best to cope with your health, feed the baby, and it's medically also there is so many challenges. You're trying to recover from this surgery and this whole procedure, feeding, and then your body is depleting. You are from different parts of the country. You have to deal with a lot of situations which most of us may not be on the same page. You may or may not have support. So somewhere, whenever you have the time, you want to rest, and then you kind of miss those early signs. So thank you for the poll. It was really helpful. I really like to see that people were participating. It's very special. I'm hoping that these little conversations can help you understand that motherhood is not easy anyway, and a mother of a special child, she has to deal with a lot. We do not have a manual that tells us how to deal with motherhood. You learn it step by step as you become a mother. And for mother of a special child, it's even harder because you have to deal with your situations as well as learn to be a good mother. And there is a lot of blame happening, or people questioning you as a mother as to maybe you have done something wrong. So there are a lot of things, complexes. So please do not blame yourself. Spend time with yourself. Mental emotional healing is very important. Bond with your baby and do the best you can. Look for answers. Speak with doctors and caretakers and look for questions. These days you can look for answers on the online, but if you feel there are certain things, please reach out for help. So thank you again for participating, and I look forward to more question answers. Have a good day.